item to install in the kitchen. Brand new calendar. The Skylight Calendar. This bad boy is going up right there. It's a pretty sick calendar. My brother has it. That's the first place that I saw it. He introduced me to it and I was like, ooh, I know immediately we gotta have it. The install should be interesting. I'm gonna try to keep it super clean, but you know what I mean? Here we go. We've got the mounting bracket up, mounted solid. 2 of them in the stud. Had a little bit of trouble getting the drywall anchor in there, but we got it in there. Next, we've got the power cord. And the goal with the power cord is to feed it through the wall, down and right into the outlet where this will go. However, we can't drop this in through the top and feed it down through the outlet. It's too big. So we got to go from the bottom up, working against gravity. Shouldn't be a problem. We'll probably just drop a string through the hole drilled down to the outlet after we shut the power off at the breaker. And then looking at the size of the drill bit here, it's looking like I might have to kind of double drill a hole or drill in and kind of work it around like this to make the hole big enough to get this in there. But if we do this right, it should, let me see if I can get this right, should enter there so you don't even see it. It's just a nice clean fit. Drop down the wall and then right out next to the outlet. Pops this bad boy plugged right in, super clean. Stay tuned for more to see how successful or unsuccessful this goes. It took forever to find the correct breaker for this outlet, but cheat code. I used a nightlight and just kept it plugged in here. Full power on, not on the like motion sensor mode, but full power on. So I was able to try to save a few steps from having to walk all the way over and test it out. Now, checking our voltage meter. Turn that bad boy on. Nothing there. We are good to go. Game plan again. Drill into here. Drop a string with some weight on it. After we take this plate off, pull that bad boy. Oh, I'm sorry, we're going the opposite way. We're gonna drop a string down through here, pull it through, tie it off, and then pull that string with the cord, the power cord, all the way up through this hole. Let's do it. Here's the scene. We got a little bolt with a nut that I've screwed on here and tied the string here. So now we got our little dangly bit. We've got a magnet that I hope is strong enough to pull this down and guide it down the wall. But this is freshly painted, semi-freshly painted, so I don't want to scrape that. So we're gonna try and put a paper towel in front of the magnet, like so. Boom, slide it down the wall and hope this works out. Step 1, get a bolt that will fit through your gap. We might have messed up already on step 1. Well, good idea, poor execution so far. Will fit? That will not fit. Welcome to my struggle bus video. I'm trying to sort this out to be able to feed. Feed this loop down. Maybe just the nut.
Is that heavy enough?
Not necessarily heavy enough. I don't think I could get anything that's heavy enough through this hole and down, so I'm gonna try to use a magnet to pull it. You know what I'm saying? Think it's gonna work? No?
I don't even think it's gonna fit in there. Is that okay?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. Let's see if magnet is strong enough to. It appears not. New plan. New game plan. Handful of socket wrench attachments. Make like a snake on here. Should be heavy enough, should bend as it goes in. And hopefully I tie a knot good enough to not lose all of these into the wall. May need to drill a little bit bigger of a hole. And you may be asking, why aren't you just using a bigger drill bit? Well, the reason is I'm using the largest drill bit I have that doesn't step up to a full like 1 inch hole, which as things are going, we may end up doing. We may end up doing anyway. So let's see. Don't eat the drywall. Too late. Mother. Nothing like pushing rope. All right, here we go, bear. We got it rigged up. Couple knots in there. Let's see if this works. Oh, of course. We've got to drill a little bigger hole. No success here. Need something heavy. Just gotta go all the way down. This would be such a quick job if I just had the cord on the outside right here. Things have progressed. Well, things have escalated quite a bit. It's dark outside now. It's now 5:52. I'll have to see what time I started this, but it's pretty much been an all-day project. I'm finally there, I think. We have larger holes cut out. And the solution I think I worked out after a bunch of fighting, you see my knuckles scraped up and stuff, is to use what you use basically to clean out dryer vents. Have you ever seen those videos where people are cleaning out all this crazy amount of dust and dust bunnies and all this stuff in their dryer vent? So trying to feed it, fight it, and debating on cutting out one of these little panels and all this stuff. I'm like, no, we're gonna get it. Hours later, we're finally here. I think this is the moment of truth where I will be able to feed the line all the way through. So, just in case this does work, I am going to attach this bad boy nice and snug as a bug in a rug. Hopefully this will fit through here. Let's see. Okay, this is a big moment. Let's see if I can get you back to the whole bit of action. You hear that baby laughter? Oh, that's so good. All of this effort is in the name of having a clean setup here for the family to be organized better going into the new year. Oh, baby! We're in here. Freaking finally, dude. What are we, 5.5 hours later?
30 minutes.
30 minutes tops.
Daddy,
Yeah.
you got it.
I got it. Can you dance? We ran this. That'll plug in right there. Clean all the way up to the mount. Okay, that was a lot of work, but we still have more to go. So this little doohickey right here, to have a nice clean rubber fit and a little enclosement on that wire will fit in there and mount just like that. So we have a nice clean fit. Calendar is gonna be up. Let's go, baby. I just Just vacuumed up real quick, about to hang the calendar, and I turn around and I realize how absurd it looks for all of the tools that I have out just to hang this. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm over here. Tried the old magnet trick. Tried to tape the string so it was stronger, so it would push down further, and I'd have force there and everything. None of that stuff worked. But ultimately, what did it was that dryer cleaning. This is just a bunch of pieced together pieces that you can screw length, and it's pretty firm, flexy, but firm. And we got it done. Now it's time to hang this bad boy up. Look at this.